Hi, this evening we're going to hopefully get all of you signed up for a Gmail account if you don't already have one. Our purpose for doing this is so that we can get all of your information under one hub, which is going to be utilized through Google. If you're not familiar with Google in terms of its features other than just a search bar, up here in the upper right hand corner, your name will appear once you have an account. You have a Gmail option, your images. This little square of squares is all of the actual apps, which Google calls apps, and you can continue to go more and more. We are going to hopefully start a Google Plus, which is a Create and Collaborate Google Plus, where you can all join us and you can all post to things. It's kind of like a Google version of Facebook, but you get to choose who you want to see within your group. You'll have your email, and then we would like to start a Google group where we can continue to post things and share out ideas. We'll be using our Gmail accounts and our Google Plus account for invites. We'll also be setting up a Google website to house all of the information that we have presented in the past and we will continue to present in the future. So it's kind of like a hub of all of our information. So to get going, I'm going to show you how to set up your Google account, your Gmail account. I already have several accounts, as you can see, but it should say up in the upper right hand corner to add an account, or to sign in or to create an account. So I'm going to do that here with you right now. So you just have to put in an email in which, like a username in which you would like to use. So your page should look like this. So you're going to create an account. I'm going to do just a John Doe one, so to speak. So we're going to do that. So I'm going to create a Create, Collaborate, and it will choose your username. So it will ask you for just a username that you're looking for. I would keep it simple. We usually try to keep it like your first name, your last name, or your first initial, your last name, so something like that. So we're going to do C Collaborate. Someone already has that username, so I'm going to try again. Go figure, somebody's collaborating. So we'll do Collaborate C4. Sometimes adding a number helps. Password should be something that you're going to remember, something that you could use often. This will tell you your strength of your password. If you want to make it more secure, you can add a capital in, or add a different number, or a hashtag, or a so I just put a capital in, I put a hashtag, and then a number, or a number symbol, and then I picked a number. Create and Collaborate was born in February, so we'll give it the month of love here. You pick your gender. You can add your mobile phone in. You're also able to get information via your mobile phone. If you have a smartphone, you can get text message alerts, or you can sign up for a Google Voice account, which wouldn't be your actual mobile number, but it will come to your mobile number. And then you need to put in a secure email address that you would use, or you would be able to check and back up with. So you can use another account that you're comfortable using and that you check, I wouldn't say often, but you check enough where you can have access to it and you'll remember your password. So I'm just going to use my other Gmail account. And then they ask you for a verification code, so just put that in. If you can't read it, you can ask it to refresh and it will give you a new one using this button right here. It will refresh it and give you a new challenge if it's too difficult to read. Agree to the terms, and then you go to your next step. and it says welcome create. There I am. Your new email address should be up in the right hand corner up here, and then you should be good to go. What we would like to see happen this evening is that you go to Google Plus. So under your app squares, you can go to the Google Plus piece. And your name should appear here, your birthday, your gender, and then you just hit upgrade, and it will continue moving you to the next portion where you can add people. So they're telling me my name isn't a great way to get people, but I'm just going to delete this account anyway. So our next step is to get you to join the Google Plus, so you can see the Create and Collaborate page at any time, and we'll be posting things there. We'll also be sending you invitations through this collaboration tool. So you're going to look for Create, Collaborate, and it should come up. So this puzzle piece right here, you want to add that to your friend list. If you want to create a new circle and call it Create and Collaborate, and then just hit create that way, and then it will tell you that you can add them to that circle. So they're already there. Once you have circles here, sorry, red circles there, and it says Create and Collaborate, they're part of your circle for that Google Plus situation. So you can also look for other people that already have Gmail accounts. Actually, I am Dawn Manchester 14. It should come up. Why is it not coming up? There I am. Okay, so you can add me as well to the Create and Collaborate. Okay, Tracy is here. So you can add her. And you can keep going to see, obviously, all of our group. Daedra's tricky. She's got like 17 accounts over here, so I think this is the correct one. Amy Dolan, where are you? I don't know where Amy Dolan is. But you can just keep adding all the people, and we will set up a situation where we will continue to kind of link you all together. So you can do that. And then just hit continue. And if you want to follow any particular groups, there's a ton of educational groups out here that you might want to check out. They can come up. You might be lonely, so sad. I'm going to continue anyway, just for the sake of time. On a professional level, if you want to use this, they do recommend putting a picture in, creating a bio, all of that information, but you don't have to do that this evening. And then you can just finish that up. And this is your or my new Google Plus account right here. So this is what is going on. So obviously there's ads here, and you can get rid of those at any point in time, or choose not to go there, and then you can go to this thing and it will tell you what's trying to follow you or what you would like to do and not do. So you can just X these out as you would like to do those. Okay, so that's Google Plus. That's where we'll be going. The other situation that we would like to do eventually, you'll get an invitation. Some of you already received an invitation to join a Google group, which is in here. These are all the Google apps, by the way. So we're going to do this, and you can add Google groups. So because I'm signed on to my Create and Collaborate email, this is the group that it's called, Create and Collaborate. And we will be sending that out to all of you once you have Gmail accounts. So here you can just add information. So here's this thing, and you can send a message. You can just send links to people if you would like to do that, and this whole page continues to just build and build on itself. So if you want to do a new topic, then you just write something. You can write tonight's meeting. You can, just do something like that. And then you can post that, and it will come up on that page. And you'll see it, and everybody can read it, or you don't have to read it, and do that. Okay, so that's pretty much what we want to do tonight. We're going to help you get started with the Gmail. If you haven't been doing it as we go, I'll walk around and help you. All right, thank you very much.